In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import an Elementor template. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to bring a pre-built layout into your site in just a few clicks. Before we begin, make sure you're logged into your WordPress dashboard and that your Elementor template file is saved on your computer. Elementor templates are typically .json files, and that's the format we'll be using here. First, in your WordPress dashboard, look at the left-hand sidebar and find Templates. Hover over it and click Saved Templates. This is the central library where Elementor keeps all of your reusable designs, like pages and sections. Opening this area ensures the template you import will be stored in the right place and ready for use across your site. Next, at the top of the Saved Templates screen, click the Import Templates button. This opens a small dialog that lets you bring a file from your computer into your Elementor library. If you don't see the button right away, scroll to the top of the page or check that you're on the Save Templates tab rather than a different one. Now, upload the JSON template file. You can either drag and drop the file into the upload area or click to browse your computer and select it. Double-check that the file extension is .json. Elementor won't import other formats, so if you downloaded a template as a compressed folder, it likely contains the .json file inside. Keep the file name recognizable so you can spot it later in your library. Once your file is selected, click Import Now. Give it a moment to process. Larger templates may take a bit longer. Avoid closing the tab while it's importing. When it's done, you'll see the new template listed in your Saved Templates table, complete with its name, type, and the date it was added. That's your confirmation that the import worked as expected. If the import doesn't complete, check that the file is a valid Elementor export and that your Elementor plugin is up to date. Also verify there are no server upload limits blocking larger files. Re-downloading the template can help if the original file was incomplete. That's it. You've successfully imported an Elementor template by going to Templates, opening Saved Templates, clicking Import Templates, uploading the JSON file, and confirming with Import Now. Your new design is now safely stored in your library and ready whenever you need it. Thanks for watching, and happy building.